score below your, is your CE highest or RO? RO?
R.
So is CE close with the next one, the third one?
It's 7.7.
7, so take the next one, okay? And then if you want, you can switch it and then take CE with your the other lowest one. Do you know what I mean? So your highest one with the third highest one, and then your second highest one with the third highest one. So you have two different. So you have an RO and a CE, AE, and then what is your third lowest one? Third highest. CE and an RO. So you have a CE, RO, and an AE. Is there another one on there for you guys? That's weird, because they say that you shouldn't have those two mixed together. Okay, so who's a converger? Okay.
Who's a what?
Converger.
I have two.
Who's a diverger? Okay. You guys are doing both, right?
Yeah.
So you guys can determine when I go through this which one's most like you, okay? Assimilators, okay, and accommodators. Okay, I'm an accommodator. All right, so we're going to go on to the next. This just shows you where on the learning style wheel that you should be, okay? If you're in the upper left, you're the active experimentation AE with CE, and makes you an accommodator. If you're the CE-RO, you're a diverger, ROAC, assimilator, and then the ACAE, you're a converger, okay? So, when you look at the wheel, it shows you, if you're a diverger in the upper right, you're a feel and watch kind of person. So your diverger can either be between concrete and reflective, right there. So your concrete is your feeling, and your reflective is your watching, which makes you a diverger. Now if you go to assimilating, you're a thinker and a watcher. The converger is a thinker and a doer, and accommodator is a feel and a do. Okay? You guys see how that works? Okay. So, they have other names for these, and if you've ever heard them, I've matched them up. So if people say you might be a reflector, a theorist, a pragmatist, or an activist, they go with the others that we're talking about, okay? So an easier way to understand them is an activist, you might just start using it and feel your way through it. Those are the AEs. Your reflectors, you might have to go to using it and then take time to think about why they have what they have just done. So you're a reflector, reflective observation. A theorist might begin by reading the manual, those are the ACs, and a pragmatist might start using the program but make frequent references to the help files. So they'll start, but then they'll stop to try and get help from a manual or something else. Okay, so convergers, raise your hand. 3. Okay, so as far as a converger goes, it says the characteristics of converger is you focus on specific problems, you're unemotional, you deal with things rather than people, you're practical, experimental, and you thrive in labs or assignments, okay? The career field you can see on the right is nothing like what we're in, okay? So, I'm sure there's updated career fields, but this is the most current ones I could find. Who's a diverger? You guys are trying both, right? Okay. So, you're creative, you're imaginative, you excel in the ability to view concrete situations, you're interested in people, imaginative, and emotional. Do you think that's more like you?
Yes.
Yes. So I would pick diverger to be your, write on your slip what your main style is. So don't pick the other one, pick diverger. Okay, the next one, how many assimilators do we have? Okay, your strengths lie in the ability to understand and create theories. So, your inductive reasoning and in synthesizing your various ideas and observations into an integrated whole. You're like the converger, you're interested in people, and you're more concerned with abstract concepts. Okay? And they say you can disregard facts and you'd like to re-examine them. This has to do with sciences, maths, and research and planning, which I'm pretty sure those aren't some of your guys' most favorite subjects. So, as far as accommodators go, your strengths lie in carrying out plans and experiments and involving yourself. If you're an accommodator, raise your hand. Okay? You're a risk taker. You are quick to make decisions. You adapt easily to situations. You like to solve problems. You're intuitive. You rely on others for information. You're at ease with most people, and you can be impatient and pushy because you're the kind of person that doesn't want to wait for somebody to tell you how to do it. You just want to jump right in and start doing it, okay? These jobs have to do with more of what our career field is. It says nursing, but it's the healthcare field, okay? Business, education, which is teachers,